PowerPoint is a fantastic application, but unfortunately, there are things that you just can't do. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 solutions I have created to fix 4 annoying problems that PowerPoint users face every single day. Let's say you have a slide with 5 images and you want to apply animations to them. So you start with the first one, add your animations, set the timing and other animation effect. Then use Animation Painter to copy the animation and apply them to the second, third, fourth, and fifth images. So far so good, right? But what if you want to add new animations to them so that they can slide out? For example, this image has slide out animations and I want to copy and apply them to the other 5 images. Now, if you say I can use Animation Painter, then you are wrong, because if I select the image, click on Animation Painter, move to slide 1 and apply the animations to the first image, the original animations on the images are gone, overridden like they don't matter. And that, my friend, is a limitation in PowerPoint. But don't worry, I have a solution for it. My animations copier can copy animations from one object to another without overriding the original animations. Let's copy the animation from this image again, but this time using Animations Copier. Select CSC Toolkit and click on Copy Animations. Open the Copy From drop-down and select the shape or object whose animations you want to copy. In the second drop-down, select the destination shape or object you want the animations on. On Animations pane, we expect the new animations to appear at the bottom, and it should not override the original animations of the image. Click Copy. Watch the animation pane. You will see the new animations, and original animations are not overridden. You can copy as many times as you like, no overriding, no stress. Right now, Animations Copier works only with entrance and emphasis animations. I'm still refining it to handle all animations types, but even now, it gets the job done beautifully, no hassle. Speaking of hassle, picture this. You are the presenter, everyone is seated, and you are about to start in 5 minutes. Instead of announcing it again and again, we'll start in 5. You can just show it using Event Countdown slide. Go to CSC Toolkit, click on Add Countdown, type 5 for 5 minutes. Leave Event Starting selected. Click OK. A new slide is added below your current slide. You can move it wherever you like. When you run slideshow and move to the slide, the timer starts automatically. Very convenient. And before you go for a break, go to CSC Toolkit. Click on Add Countdown. Type 30 for 30 minutes break. Select Coffee Break and click OK. Run slideshow and move to the slide to start countdown. You have prepared your table in Excel, Word document or somewhere, so you export or copy it to PowerPoint. It's a big table. You want to split it, maybe by rows, maybe by columns. Unfortunately, PowerPoint does not have a one-click solution to split tables, but luckily I do. Select your slide with the table. Open CSC Toolkit. Click on Split Tables. Select Split by Rows and click OK. And just like that, your table is now split into rows. Want to split by columns? Undo. Open CSC Toolkit again. Click Split Tables. Select Split by Column and OK to apply. It's simple, fast, and saves time. Now that you can split tables, this next tool animates entire tables in just 3 clicks. Go to the slide with the table you want to animate. Open CSC Toolkit. Click Animate Tables. Choose Animate by Columns and click OK. Run slideshow and your table come alive 1 column at a time. Do you prefer rows? No problem. Just go back. Select Animate Tables. Click Animate by Rows and OK. Run slideshow again. Simple, fast, saves time. Let me show you how to set it up. It's simple. First, download CSC Toolkit. It's free. Use the link in the description or pinned comment. Once downloaded, extract the folder. Inside, you will find 4 files: User Agreement, Event BG, Coffee BG, and CSC Toolkit. Read the user agreement. Then copy the entire CSC Toolkit folder to your add-ins directory. On Windows, you'll find it on C, Users, your username, App Data, Roaming, Microsoft, and finally Add-ins. If you don't see App Data folder, go to View, Show, and select Hidden Items. On Mac, you will find it on the folder display on your screen right now. Please double-check this path for Mac. I work on Windows. Step 2. Enable macros. Open PowerPoint, File, Options, Trust Center Settings. Open Macro Settings. Select Enable All Macros. Check Trust Access to the VBA project and click OK. Go to Customize ribbon and make sure Developer tab is checked. Click OK to go back to PowerPoint. Step 3. Add the toolkit. Open Developer tab, PowerPoint Add-ins, Add New. Open CSC Toolkit folder. Select CSC Toolkit add-in file and click OK to open it. The add-in is selected and a new tab CSC Toolkit appears in PowerPoint. Close the add-in window. That's it, you're ready to go. PowerPoint has limits, but with a little creativity and a few smart tools, you can push past them. Copy animations without losing your work. Create countdown slides in seconds. Split and animate tables with ease. I hope this toolkit makes your workday lighter and your slides more powerful. Try it out. Send feedback in the comment or by email. Let's make it even better together. Until next time, keep creating amazing presentations.